Let's begin with some breaking news. After BJP MP Nishkant Dubey's attack on Supreme Court, the BJP has distanced itself from the MP's remark. JP Nadda says that party is completely rejecting statements made by the BJP MP. He further goes on to say that BJP always has respected the judiciary. Nadda has also said that he has instructed everyone not to make such comments. BJP MP Nishikant Dubey had earlier criticized the top court, saying that it's inciting religious war. Ashutosh is joining us for more. Ashutosh, in terms of what exactly has been the brief from the BJP top brass, including JP Nadda to its MPs, could you give us more details on that particular brief?
Well, potential outbreak, it looks like what Nishikant Dubey has made and could be a perfect disaster for the recipe, a political disaster for the BJP, because yet again this could have given a potential ammunition and arms to the opposition, including Congress, that look how they have been after constitution and they are willing to change the constitution. Now, of course, Mr. Nishikant Dubey, being a lawmaker and also taking oath of the constitution, forgot the very simple thing that while the parliament has its own right provided by the constitution to make a law, it is the judiciary which has the power to review any law, particularly in the case of if there is an outreach of a federal structure against the state and or the law violates the fundamental rights of the people, of the common people, that is also safeguarded by the constitution. So there are certain provisions where Supreme Court and Article 13, so there are few things that Nishikant Dubey perhaps realized. There are also anticipations, speculations within the opposition camp that this was only perhaps a test what Nishikant Dubey did. Because then you see several right-wing organizations and several other ecosystems have been going after Supreme Court Chief Justice and the Supreme Court judges, particularly what we have seen the way they have handled the work case and also issuing notice seeking answers from the government on the make certain amendments in the work pact, particularly realizing that repercussion aftermath of what Nishikant Dubey and Dinesh Sharma from Uttar Pradesh said the BJP was to report. It took time. The BJP president himself had to come out and totally distancing itself. But the simple question is that had it been case with any other opposition party said the same thing and the party distances itself, would have been there a similar situation what we see, what we are reading within the BJP? The answer itself explains everything, and this is not going to stop what we are hearing from the opposition camp. This will spark a major row later in the day.